Hello and welcome back to Nicole's 103 subscribers. I'm Bridget. I'm typically behind the camera, but today I get to be in the interviewer seat, and I have with us our friend Charissa. Hi. Charissa is new to Stitch Fix. We could get started with learning a little bit about you.
I'm a performer.
Okay.
And I also work an office job.
Mm-hmm.
So I sort of have two lives.
Okay.
But I'm also a mom. So I guess I have a lot of aspects of my personality to dress for.
What do you think is in the box? What did you ask for? Tell us about your style.
So I like things that either look like motorcycle chic or super feminine.
Okay.
And I did let them know that leopard print will always be a win.
I really hope that they don't disapprove that. I have seen some things in the shuffle where I'm like, you can't do that to leopard. Just stop. And you apologize to leopard. You told them a little bit about your style, which sounds really fun. Were there specific pieces you asked for, or did you just kind of guide them along?
You know, I didn't ask for anything in particular. I just wanted to see what they would send me. As someone who is in the plus size clothing, you could end up with really cute fun things, or you could end up with like floral tents.
Yes, yes.
So,
I've pitched a floral tent or two in my day. Here we go. Did you get an extra?
yes, I did.
You did. You are so smart. First of all, ding, 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 ding. First extra on our show.
I do see floral.
I see some word art.
Yeah.
All right, let's get into this extra cards.
All right.
What the extras is.
Okay. I figured you can never, ever, ever go wrong.
Little buff cami.
Buff cami. Adjustable.
Shut the front door.
It's stretchy.
Nice. This is $14.
$14.
So we got a pair of jeans.
I'm going to say right now I love this because look at these little
booty
darts.
Booty darts.
Right. Got like a raspberry color.
Is it a
Drape front cardigan.
Oh, it's an open front cardigan.
Word art.
Does it say gassy? It says it's
Sassy. I do like that.
Ooh. Now, I have seen this before in another video that we did.
Okay.
So it's a shirt. It's a short sleeve shirt. Oh, that's cute. What's it do in the back? Anything besides just...
Got a little bit of a
cute
little lace detail here.
Charissa is showing us the first 3 pieces that she got in her box. She's got the extras cami that you're just going to see a little bit of.
It's long enough to tuck in, but it's not like coming all the way down to my knees. Close fitting and comfortable. Just a little smoothing.
But not sausaging.
But not sassaging.
Right. Because you either get like baggy falls down, what am I putting this, t-shirt on for? Or you get... And then we're modeling the word art that says Sassy.
This top is super soft, super comfy.
It reminds me of like a fleece blanket. It's
so
soft.
Like you said, this would be a good brunch top.
Totally. Then we have the Democracy jeans.
I love these jeans. These are my new favorite jeans. They fit perfectly. I said I wanted to highlight the booty, and these highlight the booty. Got like just the right amount of just distressing here, but I can still wear them to work.
I could see those on a flat, in an ankle booty, and a knee boot. I mean, whatever you want to do with those. Those are perfect.
And they're the perfect length.
They're perfect on you. We're back. We've got item number 4, which is the absolutely dark gray pullover shirt with cute little polka dots in it.
I would say this is like, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I would wear it to work.
Right. Yep. I agree. Throw a jean jacket over it and, go to some garage sales. But, yeah.
I will say one thing. The sleeves aren't too long.
Yeah. The sleeves fit you perfect.
And that is actually something I did put in my profile is that I have a hard time with tops. The sleeves are too long.
Okay. We're back with the final 2 pieces in Charissa's first box. We've got the Daniel Rain Patoka split knit top. And then 41 Hawthorne Averiana long sleeve open cardigan. These are adorable together.
I know. The colors match perfectly.
Yeah.
I could definitely see myself wearing this top, with jeans, with dressy pants, jean jacket. leather jacket.
I was just thinking that because you get your I'm a little bit country with this floral, and if you threw that moto jacket on
Yes.
it, you're a little bit rock and roll, and you get both.
Okay, you have to see the top without the cardigan
Okay, let's
too,
do it.
because it's really cute. It's a really good fit. It's a good length.
Oh, I love the back. It brings in even more shape by pulling it in like that, and then it's like you want to see what's under that booty. It's time for bag it or untag it. In other words, are we going to take out the trash or are we going to spend a little cash?
I'm definitely keeping this.
All right, so we're going to keep the cami. This
Yes.
is by Everyday Stitch Fix. It's $14. Them jeans, $78 for them jeans.
We're keeping these jeans.
Woohoo!
Yay. Definitely keeping these jeans.
Excellent. This is the Daniel Rain Patoka split neck knit top in dark green.
I'm keeping this top.
Excellent. So then up next, Brianna long sleeve knit cardigan. It's soft. It's flouncy.
It is.
It does go with a cute shirt.
It does.
Yeah. What are you thinking? It's $38.
Okay. Bye.
Promise me that if you keep this, you're gonna put like tape over the S and wear it with those jeans and just be like, I'm fancy.
I like the sassy.
Mm-hmm.
Just not quite sassy enough. If it said booty, I'd keep
It
it.
needs to say assy, sassy, classy. I mean, like, all right, last item. Oh yeah, it's a little polka dot item. So that's $38 of note.
Bye.
What'd you think about your first stitch?
For being the first one, I
Mhm.
mean, my stylist and I haven't gotten to know each other very well yet.
Right.
So these, yeah, there were no floral tents.
No floral tents.
Nothing was like oversized.
No.
Everything fit well.
Mhm.
And there was some really cute stuff in there.
All right. Well, Carissa, thank you so much for being on our show. We really had fun. We hope you had fun.
I did.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me on the show.
Again, 103 subscribers, 2020. Let's keep it going. We'll see you in the next video. The scariest, most disappointing thing that could be in this box. And go.
Floral moo.
Floral Momo! You've really got to see my video. If I say Helen Roper to you, do you know what I'm talking about? Son of a bitch,
Should
I'm
I?
old.
Like,
Three's Company.
okay.
Okay. Mr. Furley's wife. Okay. Helen. So Helen always wore the muumuus and all that big giant jewelry. When I put that tunic on, I was like, oh, Stanley. Like, yeah, I all of a sudden had her like bisque nails and like giant clingy jewelry on.
No.
It was a horrible tunic
No.
experience. It was. I'm sorry, but the forecast is cloudy skies.